Collect and manage your most valuable asset in your small business, your leads, with this cool tool. Let's go. Let's just get right to it. The tool today is HighLevel, or Go HighLevel, as some people call it. This tool can help you capture and manage and nurture your leads like none other, and for a one low price. Doesn't matter how many leads you have in there or how many users you want to access those leads, still the same price. That's what I love about this tool. I searched and searched for a lead generating and capturing and nurturing tool that would not have to be added to and pay a higher price when I get more leads, which is my goal. And this is the tool I found, and I love it. We're just going to look at a small piece of this tool today because this tool is actually very robust. I use it to run nearly my entire business, but we're just going to look at the lead nurturing ability of this tool today. So whether you realize it or not, your most valuable asset in your business are your leads. Not your followers on Instagram, not your YouTube followers, not your Facebook friends, but the leads you've actually captured in your system, because those systems could cancel your account at any time, go down, somebody breaks into your account, and then you have to shut it down and you have lost all of those people. But if you capture leads and you store them in a CRM or a spreadsheet or however you like to store them, that is your most valuable asset, and that is worth paying to keep secure and to communicate with those people. The way I gather and store leads and communicate with them via text message, email, social messaging is Go HighLevel. That's the one I choose, and I did a lot of research and it works great. So as you see here, this is an example of how you can keep track of your contacts and their conversations. So all the conversations show up when you click on the contact, whether that was through SMS or email or Facebook Messenger. You can do voicemail drop. So there's multiple ways you can stay in communication, and it is all tracked in the system. You can also download the HighLevel app for your phone, and you can communicate in there so that, again, you can keep track of all the different ways people are reaching out to you so you never miss a contact communication. You can take your contacts and create smart lists. You can tag the leads. You can use these different sorting methods and filtering methods to send out campaigns about your products and services. And those can be SMS campaigns, or they can be email campaigns, or a combination. It does have a workflow functionality so that you can set it and forget it. Capture those leads through forms, surveys, appointment scheduling, and landing pages. And so once you capture those leads, depending upon how they came in, you can then tag them and add details to them through the forms and surveys so that they're easily sortable and filterable later. You can enter a new lead into a workflow so that they can be nurtured while you are hands off. That, to me, is gold. People organized so that you can send out notifications of blog posts, new products, new services, and you can send that out to your stored contacts and stay in touch with them. Then, after you've made a sale or after they've used your service, you can send out reviews so that you easily manage your reviews and your responses to those reviews in Go HighLevel. You have a comprehensive tool that will handle your lead capture, organization, and campaigns and nurturing those leads through communication. It's one low price. Currently it's $97, and you can do all of that with Go HighLevel. I have a link in the description below. I encourage you to use that link. It helps support us and our ability to create more videos just like this. Subscribe below. If you're new to the channel, thank you for coming. We'll have a lot more content about Go HighLevel in the future because, again, I did a lot of research and this is the software I believe in. Check out another cool tool. Have a great day. And remember, without impact, it doesn't matter. Take care.